Hi guys, I'm here with something a little bit different today. It is not a makeup tutorial, it is a hair tutorial. So if you want to see how I got these beautiful, bouncy, voluminous waves, then keep watching. So this is my Dreamwave curler. It's got your temperature control setting here. It is ceramic technology, which means it's really good for anybody with frizzy hair like mine. It is USB rechargeable, so you just plug it in down the bottom there to recharge, and it is cordless, which means you can use this anywhere, anytime. So you don't have to set your hair like I have with mine, but I like to be a little bit more particular with my curls. So I'm just gonna take my curler, pop the hair in there, and press the button here. And you can see it just sucks it up. Now it's gonna make a beeping sound. We wanna keep it in there until it stops beeping. And then take it out. Look at that, guys. So easy, and it curls right to the bottom as well. Now your hair can never get caught in this because it doesn't actually clamp the hair, it just sort of sucks it in, and you can pull your hair out at any time. You'll never have to worry about burning your hair or even burning your fingers because all the hot parts are actually on the inside. So now I'm just going to change the direction of the curl because we're working on this side of the hair. So I'm going to change that now to the R option, which is right hand side, because you want your curls to actually be opposite to the side of the face you're on. So for example, if I'm working on the left side of the face, I want my curls to go right. If I'm working on the right side of the face, I want the curls to go left. It will just be a lot more flattering and it just shapes the face. So once I've finished curling my hair and the curls have cooled down, I'll brush these out and it should just leave a beautiful wave. Okay, so I've sped things up and I didn't record all of my hair, but I'm just on to the last little bit now. How pretty! I can't wait to brush these out. I think it's going to be really, really pretty. Last little bit. Pop it in about there. So you can start your curl a lot higher, you just have to obviously place the hair in a lot higher, or you can start it a lot lower as well if you're worried about losing length. Okay, so these are the curls, absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to brush those out because I want them to be a little bit softer. I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to run that through. I think I'm going to be using this a lot. It's like a lot easier than a straightener or a curler. And the curls are just so beautiful and bouncy and frizzless as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of hair oil now, just so that I can smooth them out even more. That was so easy and so quick. Usually my hair takes so long when I'm trying to curl it with a straightener because I can never get that right, or a curler. I always end up burning myself, but with this, it didn't take long at all. Really quick. I'm really happy with the results. But I'm going to go ahead now and pop half up, half down like I usually do, and finish up styling. That wraps up my little hair tutorial. If you'd like to purchase your own Dreamwave, all you have to do is head to wylerahair.com, click the shop icon, select your curler, add to cart, and use my coupon code TANA20 to save you $20 off your next purchase. It's the perfect gift idea for yourself or somebody that you love. Thanks, bye!